So I've got the portable smoker set up again. It's currently at 200, 225. Just about to put a whole chicken on. And we've had some baby back ribs on already. So these have been on for about an hour and a half. And the plan is that I'm going to do the 3-2-1 method. 3 hours smoking, 2 hours wrapped, 1 hour at a bit of a higher temperature to seal it all off. This is the firebox at the moment. It was quite empty, so I only put 2 long ones in there. I'm hoping that I will not need to empty out the tray at the bottom, but let me get my whole chicken on in this area and then I'll get back to you. So we're back. This is what it looks like. This is a corn-fed French chicken, and then these are 2 from Smithfields as well. So the ribs have been in for 3 hours now, and the chicken's only been in for 2 hours, but we're at 220, same setting, and I'm getting ready to wrap the ribs up. They aren't still quite tough, but also I only scored the back, so it's not great. I'm wrapping them with some butter and then this barbecue sauce we got from Barbados. The firebox slowly burning down nicely. I'll probably put one longer one on, and then hopefully that should be it for the cook. So give me a second. 4 hours and 40 minutes for the ribs, 3 hours and 40 minutes. So these should be unwrapped in 20 minutes and then cooked for another 20 minutes. But I'm probably gonna eat the burgers, ramp up the temperature for the chicken skin to set, and then it's done. This is the firebox. Almost out, which I think I'm gonna leave it for now and it should be fine, and then finish by the end of the day. The ribs are done. I done 2 hours wrapped. I'm not going to cook them off unwrapped because there's a lot of sugar in the sauce, so I don't want it to catch. The burgers took 45 minutes at 225, 250, but I had them at this part of the grill, so it was a lot hotter than the temperature probe, which is over here. I've just turned the temperature up so I can get some nice colour on the rest of the chicken. Haven't temperature probed that, but all I'm going to do is leave it until the coals run out. This is what we look like. There's still some bits that haven't totally broke down, so they're looking good, but that's our Friday barbecue.